And yeah, I'm back. Saving the best for last, right? Ha. It has occurred to me that I cycled all the way through my bird sounds while setting my clock back. And I went through the time that it is. I went, I'm having to backtrack again to get to the actual time, which is 7:40. So, what have we learned about birds, Lionel? We learned they're not real, except for the robin. And I'm going to add in the cardinal, the blue jay, maybe on the tufted titmouse. I don't know. We also learned a little bit about what they look like. We know what they sound like now, don't we? Okay. I'm going to have to come up with something else to video for you. Maybe it will snow and I can go out and get some pictures of snow for you. Ooh. Okay. Hasta la vista, baby. I love you.